Hello children. Today we are going to study the part 2 of No Formalities Please. So you must be remembering that in part 1 the students were very much excited to read the books, but since the library period was only half an hour time and once in a week, so children wanted home issue. So the teacher told to write the letter. She taught how to write a letter and then they had sent it to the principal. So this is part 2. Mrs. Desai met the principal soon after class. She told her about the excitement that followed the announcement of new books in the library. So Mrs. Desai, the English teacher, met the principal madam and she told about the excitement that children were very happy after the announcement of new books. They just cannot wait to read all those lovely books, she beamed. She told and she said, oh, they are very happy and they cannot wait to read the books. The principal was also delighted and praised her. Principal also said, wow, principal was very happy and she praised her. She appreciated teacher. The credit goes to you, Mrs. Desai. You have created and aroused their interest in reading books. So the principal told, oh, it is all because of you, Mrs. Desai, that they are very much interested in reading. It is going to help them a great deal in future. So if they are reading books, so it is going to be helpful for them. A letter. Yes, madam, said Mrs. Desai. But they find the weekly library period too short a time to read. So Mrs. Desai is telling the problem of the students, that they are getting only little time to study, short time to read. So my students are going to appeal to you to allow home issue of books. They have written a letter to you, a letter of request. So Mrs. Desai is saying, since my children want the book for home issue, so they have written a letter. A letter? Why? Asked the principal in surprise. So the principal was surprised. Oh, why the kids have written a letter? I had to teach the class how to write polite formal letters. And I took this opportunity to make them actually write a formal letter, explained Mrs. Desai. So the teacher told, since I wanted to teach them how to write letters, so I took this chance and I told, let us write a letter to the principal, and they learnt it. Excellent, Mrs. Desai, exclaimed the principal, and I shall not dampen their interest in reading. So the principal is saying, wow, very good, Mrs. Desai, and I will not lessen the interest. मैं उनका interest को कम नहीं करूँगी. I shall certainly allow them to take books home for reading, and I allow them to take the books home. The next morning, the principal found the letter on her desk. She signed the letter with the remark, permission granted, and sent it to the librarian. So as soon as the principal received the letter, she wrote permission granted and gave it to the librarian. Librarian, the one who takes care of library. Yes. To encourage the children of class 4 further, the principal instructed the librarian to give a written reply to the students, and here's what he wrote. So the principal told the librarian to write a letter to the students. And what did the librarian write? See, library, the school name, date, to whom it is addressed, the students of class 4. Dear children, I am delighted to know that you are so keen on reading the new books in our school library. So the librarian is saying, oh, I am very happy to know that you are very much interested in reading new books. The principal has been kind enough to grant you your class permission for home issue facility. So librarian is saying that the principal is very kind and she is allowing you all to take the books home. I shall keep the library open for an hour after school on all weekdays. So the library will be open after school for 1 hour. You can come and collect any book of your choice and return it. So you can take whichever book you like and you can take it home and return it the following week. and the next week you are supposed to return it. But I must urge you to read and observe the library rules displayed in the library. He is also saying that the children should observe the rules. Yes, if they are taking the books, they should keep it very properly and submit it on time, return it on time. Do come and enjoy reading the books. Sincerely yours, Mr. Vijay Patil, librarian. So he is saying, okay, do come and enjoy. So this letter has been sent to the students of class 4. Hey, great news, cried the monitor. The monitor was having the letter and he shouted, hey, wow, hello, great news. Look, we have received a letter from the librarian and guess what? We can take storybooks home to read. So he's saying, hey, wow, the librarian has given a letter to us and it has been written that we can take the books home. Wow, exclaimed Shruti with a bright round eyes. So one of the girls, Shruti, was very happy. Wow. Goodbye, boredom. Welcome, happy hours, shouted Akshay. So Akshay is one of the students and he's saying, oh, now we will not be bored. Happy days are in. The letter from the librarian was put up on the class notice board for all to read. So the letter was put up on the notice board so that every student can read. When Mrs. Desai walked into the classroom, the students of class 4 burst out into many exclamations of thanks. So as soon as the teacher came in, so all the students were very happy and they started thanking her. That's an excellent, Shall we write a letter of thanks to the librarian? Suggested Manjusha. So Manjusha is a girl and she's saying, shall we write a letter of thanks to the librarian? That's an excellent idea, said Mrs. Desai, smiling to herself at this new interest in formal letter writing. So she was very happy and she thought, wow, ये इंटरेस्ट इनको अच्छा आ गया है लेटर लिखने में, इसीलिए बार बार बोल रहे हैं लेटर लिखने. This is the letter of thanks the children wrote to the librarian. So this is the letter of thanks which the students wrote and gave it to the librarian. Class 4, school name, date, to whom they are sending, subject, an expression of thanks, thanksgiving letter. Yes. Dear sir, thank you ever so much for kindly making the home reading facility available to us. So the students are thanking. We are really grateful that you are going to wait back 1 hour after school just for us. So see how kind the librarian is. He is going to wait for 1 hour after the school. We can now read books of our choice at a stretch. एक साथ हम लोग हमारा स्टोरी बुक पढ़ सकते हैं. Thank you very much for your encouragement. So since the librarian is encouraging the students to read, the students are writing a letter and they wrote that he is very good and he is encouraging the students. We promise to abide by the library rules and handle the books with great care. So we promise to keep up the library rules, yes, and handle the books with great care. Many thanks once again, yours faithfully, students of class 4. So this letter is being sent to the librarian. Yes children, did you understand this chapter? It is the continuation of part 1, letter writing. Yes? Okay.